Drinking beer in the hot sun. I fought the law and I won. I fought the law and
Hi, this is Michael Pariente here with John G.Watkins, who's of counsel with the Pariente Law Firm, PC. We're here in our conference room at the Howard Hughes Center. Now, John, it's good to have you again.
Thanks, Michael.
John, tell us, we hear from the prosecutors and Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department or Nevada Highway Patrol that the Intoxilizer 8000 is an accurate machine, and if it tests your breath and it says that you're a 0.15 or whatever, that it's 100% accurate and you're basically doomed. You have no defense. True or false?
That's absolutely false. They want individuals to believe that if we get a test and it's over the limit that you lose, and don't hire a lawyer because you can't win. And again, that's absolutely false. For example, let's talk about the breath machine. These breath machines are based upon presumptions, and these presumptions are false. For example, they're based upon what we call a 2100 to 1 ratio. That is, a certain amount of alcohol in the breath is equal to a certain amount in the blood. And we know that that ratio varies with individuals. And when it's below, the ratio is below 2100, let's say if it's 1700, that has an effect of about a 0.04 right off the top. Temperature. No one ever checks people's temperatures. Everyone doesn't have 98.6, but if you have a temperature that is above 98.6, that has an effect tremendously on the breath machine. Okay? By the way, the breath machine doesn't detect alcohol, the molecule of alcohol. It only detects a certain portion of a molecule, and so they just assume that it's alcohol. And there's other molecules that have the same band as alcohol, but they just want us to assume that it's alcohol. Hematocrit, that's the solid particles in the blood, okay? It's very important because the more solid particles, the less water, which means a higher level of reading, okay? And yet the machine is based upon 45 of the hematocrit, and it varies. So for example, if you have an individual that really has 54 versus 45, like the machine is designed, presumed to be, again, you're talking about another 0.03 inaccuracy. Okay, so the breath machines are totally inaccurate, and the 8000, by the way, is subject to operator manipulation. What that means is the officer can just have people keep blowing and get a higher reading. And now with blood, same scenario. They want you to believe that the gas chromatograph is infallible, but if you look at the United States Supreme Court case law dealing with this subject, you will see that they had done studies and show that there's just so many errors dealing with the gas chromatography. So, by the way, individuals have legitimate arguments to defeat this presumption that if you got a test that's over, you lose.
And of course, if you've been arrested for, or you're being charged with driving under the influence here in Nevada, give us a call. We're more than happy to talk to you over the phone if you're calling from out of state, or if you're here in Las Vegas, come sit down with us. We're more than happy to talk to you about how we can help you.
I fought the law and I won. I fought the law and